I thought it was freaky that you had all of those people in the offices. And
I
I
know.
can't imagine him climbing by those folks and not being distracted. I mean, they're
Me
all like
too.
taking pictures and they're taking selfies, and you're going, guys, he could fall.
Hi, Dana.
Hi, Lisa. If you were anywhere near the internet last weekend, and I know you were, you saw this. This is Alex Honnold. He's that guy from the Free Soloing documentary, and he just climbed Taipei 101 with no ropes and no safety gear, live on Netflix. But the deal is everybody's talking about this climb, but here's the thing: nobody's talking about the building. And I thought that you would be the perfect person to chat about the building because that's what you do. So
Actually, let's talk about the building because it's a very iconic building in Taipei. It's a very interesting building and it's filled with meaning, and the architectural references in it are very significant. For instance, the sections that are here in the middle, right, or on the top half. There's 8 of them, and 8 is a very lucky number. So each section is 8. There's 8 of them, excuse me, and each one has 8 floors, right? And
right.
so that's a super, super lucky prosperity signal to the universe that the architect purposely chose to use. So the whole building is kind of designed around the idea of luck and prosperity and things like that.
And bamboo too. There's a bamboo
Oh,
motif with the green
yes.
glass, right?
Yes, yes, the green glass, which is, I think, always a little bit iffy. It's great because it does look like bamboo, but here's the problem, which is if you've ever been into a couple of the hotels in Las Vegas and they're entirely clad in the green glass,
Hmm.
you look horrific. And so you get this really sort of deadened effect with the
Well,
with the green glass.
but I'd say this. I'd say green glass in buildings, good idea, terrible concept. Anyway, here's the part that blew my mind. Inside this building, between the 87th and the 92nd floor, there is a 730-ton steel ball that just hangs there. And
Yeah.
it's like when I see images of Alex climbing the building, okay, it's almost like he's trying to reach the mother nest or something. It seems almost like scientific in a way, like he's climbing the building to save the planet from this egg that's gonna like hatch. And
You have seen too many science fiction movies. The big ball is actually a very, very innovative solution to movement of a building when it's in an earthquake zone. And Taipei, guys, sits on the ring of fire. So it gets a lot of activity. There's a lot of movement that happens in Taipei. And so that ball helps compensate for the movement that's happening in the building. And obviously the building's been standing since 2004. So
okay,
it looks great.
so I have a question for you. I thought it was freaky that you had all of those people in the offices, and
I
I
know.
can't imagine him climbing by those folks and not being distracted. I mean, they're
Me
all like
too.
taking pictures and they're taking selfies, and you're going, guys, he could fall. And they're
Yeah.
like snapping photos. And I don't know how they were able to like protect
I,
him that way. I mean, his wife was
I have
there.
no idea. The only thing I can think of, you're right, because I remember thinking the same thing. There was some girl that climbed out onto the corner in the inside ledge and was like face to face with him. And that would have absolutely, had it been me climbing that building, would have been terribly throwing off my game.
Let me just say a few things. It would not have been you climbing that building. Let's just put it that
No,
way. I mean, I have
this
to
is
tell
true.
you, I get on a ladder and I get past like the 8th step, and I'm like, I'm super nervous, right? So anyway,
Yeah.
so that's what was really about. That was what was really worrying me about was the people that were inside the building. I just can't imagine what that would have been like. And now our next segment is we're going to talk about someone who's been an inspiration to me and who is a style icon. And unfortunately, we lost her this year, which is Diane Keaton. I never knew she did interiors. I thought
Oh,
these were
yeah.
interior designers. And apparently she was into interiors big time. And I just wanted to show you guys some of these gorgeous spaces that she designed. So, Lisa, maybe we could get your 2 cents on
Ah,
what we're looking at, basically. So
yes,
here,
well,
here
obviously,
she
the
is.
woman herself, Diane. I love this picture because you have no idea how old she is. She could be 20, she could be 70. I have no idea, right? In this picture, she was such an icon and such a classic. It's
And a
beautiful. I
bead
love that
bulb.
photo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so here's the first one. So tell
Ooh.
us about this really quick.
Oh, love the doors. Love the light fixtures. Very sort of minimalist industrial. I love that. Love the overall texture of the natural woods with her classic sort of palette of black and white.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
Ooh, I bet the same home actually, because there's that brick that she used on that last house, which is just stunning. I mean, she had the ability to do a lot of scale. Love it. Absolutely love it. Look at the width and the length of that island.
Oh, and look at that. I love the
Beautiful.
clock. I mean, how can you?
And the clock.
I mean, yeah, it is. This photograph is about the clock. And then this is the same kitchen, just down farther, right?
Yeah, and this photograph is about those light fixtures over the island, which have to be custom. I love it. They're made out of Galvy. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful kitchen. It would be really great to work in. A signature of hers was she collected all kinds of things, which was amazing. And so she always had like a lot of areas where there were books and a lot of collectible items. This is lovely. Oh, yeah, beautiful dishes. So I adore that. That's
I mean, look how
fantastic.
gorgeous that is. I love the numbers on the plates, and oh my God, how amazing is
Yeah,
that?
yeah, such a nice rich mix. And again, same thing here. Even though the black and white palette is a little restrained, right? That warm, toothy texture of all those natural woods, absolutely stunning. And again, those great
Almost,
light fixtures.
almost looks like a black and white photo with the accent of the brown wood, right?
Yeah. Yes, yes. That was her preferred palette, which is interesting because some of her other houses also have a lot of deep, rich colors because she also loved that early mission Spanish.
Look at this.
That's astounding.
I
I
mean,
would
it's,
have no problems working all day.
you know, I don't know, but whoever was taking care of the house should be fired. I
Oh,
don't
they
know.
need to be
Yeah, because that's like, really?
kind of same room, probably.
Mhm.
That table's exquisite. Again, the lights, really a big statement. Volume, the doors, beautiful.
Now, this is a different house.
Mm. Yes. Yeah, that is clearly her more one of her more Spanish style homes. That's probably her Santa Fe place.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah, that's rich and gorgeous. Love the mix of mid-century modern.
Yeah, look at
Yeah,
this.
that
Going
kitchen
back.
behind. Wow, that's
Mm.
vintage. She had a respect for a lot of vintage. She collected a lot of antiques. Yes, that is the Santa Fe house for sure. Look at the texturing on that plaster. Oh my gosh. And then the adobe behind it. Oh, that is so beautiful.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Really, really beautiful.
But I mean, really, you need a blanket or something on that bed.
Yes, actually, Santa Fe gets cold. You do. Well, maybe you just sleep with the dog. We
I'm
miss
glad
her.
I got a chance to
Yes.
see those houses. So we hope you guys like that. So this was something I sent over to you recently, and I don't know if you remember it, but it's really funny. So just watch it. It's self-explanatory.
Okay.
I know this feeling.
Oh my god. Oh, I do too.
He can't get it collapsed. He can't get it collapsed.
Is it a baby stroller?
One time I had to go without a stroller because
He's trying to press that button.
Oh my God. Ah! Where is the baby right now?
Okay, so I have been there, not with baby strollers. I have been there with beach chairs, and I couldn't get the beach chair to close. And I'm on the beach, and I'm shoving it, and I can't get it to close. And nobody knows how to close a beach chair. And I don't want to walk all the way down the beach with it open because it's huge, right? So it's the same thing. So let's watch some more because it gets really funny.
Oh my gosh. I will say, it looks complicated.
I swear I would go help him.
Oh, and it's hot out.
I have no idea how to do this. My wife always.
See, I wouldn't go help him. I would be recording this thing because this is the funniest thing I ever saw. I would be watching this thing until this thing was over. So I don't know. This is obviously you're hearing audio from the people who filmed it inside their car. So anyway, let's continue. This is really funny. There's a new guy.
Another guy. What they need is a mother. They need a woman over here. Although this looks complicated. I have to say, you're right. It's like a beach chair. You have to push and pull at the same time. Oh my God, that's funny.
So I don't know what to do, right? I could not help them if I was there. Do you know what to do?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
No
And
way.
the people in the car filming it don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. I'm
Yes,
sure.
yeah.
I'm sure there's a lot of you guys at home that know what to do. Okay. And, but I love
And if
my
you
favorite.
do, put it in down in the comments below. Right?
Yeah.
Is
My
get
favorite.
another mom who knows how to put this thing together.
And the three of them, I like how they were rocking it back and forth like this, trying to like break it, like just smash it into small. Okay, we got a few more minutes of this. Here, watch it. Watch how this ends. It's really funny.
Oh, he's talking to his wife on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And she's.
Oh.
And he's what?
See, that's clever. Get somebody on the phone. Oh, that is funny.
Now, you guys, I don't know if you have seen this yet, but the punchline is classic. The punchline is classic. You got to wait a couple more minutes for it, but it's worth it. Here. Wait.
Oh, here's a girl.
And watch, this is the best part.
Wait,
She just walks away. Look,
you're right.
that was classic, right? What these guys caught on video was like a comedy routine. It starts off with the one guy, he's trying to work the thing, he can't get it, poor guy, you say, right? Then another one guy walks in like, here, let me help you. The other guy comes in and they're working on it, they can't get it going. And then a third guy comes in and then it's the perfect joke. And then all of a sudden at the end, the woman comes walking in, goes boom, boom, and just walks away.
One-handed. She's one-handed with it. She just
Well,
does
but she-
this, and the
she
whole
goes,
thing
boom,
pushes
and the whole
in.
thing just, well, right, exactly, right. But that was what was so funny about it. Anyway. Well, hopefully you guys had fun and you learned something with this today, because that's what we do.
That's it. That's why we're here every
Yes.
week. Of course, it would be helpful if you like, comment, and subscribe, since we're going to need all those goodies.
Whatever. Fine.
Maybe just me does it.